Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. I know I haven't posted recently, just family and life and holidays, but I wanted to start the new year with some Valentine's DIYs. So the first one we're going to be making is actually really simple, and it's going to be a candy holder or a dish holder for trinkets or whatever you want to use it for. You can even use it for candles. What you're going to do is you're going to grab one of the bowls, and it just so happened that I had a red one, and you're going to grab a candle holder. Now you can spray paint the candle holder, but I just wanted to leave it the color, the clear glass color. I added some permanent glue and some hot glue. And then just press on it for a few seconds just to make sure that hot glue is allowing that to dry. Then you're going to go ahead and grab any kind of ribbon you want. Again, since this is Valentine's, I just grabbed some white and red different color ribbons. And this is really adorable to use like on your desk at your office, just to have little candies and stuff like that, especially for Valentine's. What you're going to do is you're going to grab all the ribbons and you're just going to wrap it around the stand part of your candy dish. And then you're just going to make a simple bow. And you can add a little bit of hot glue onto the ribbon if you want. But with the knot, it stays really good and it stays in place. So just go ahead and make a simple bow. Then you're just going to cut and trim off all the ribbon to make sure that it's not too long. And there you go, an adorable candy dish. So the next DIY is another simple DIY, and what we're going to do is a door wreath or a wall decor piece. You're going to grab one of these signs. This one just says Kissing Booth, and this is the $1.25 Dollar Tree sign. You're going to also grab some of these wooden stick hearts that come four in a package, and then any color ribbon that you want. I'm using this white ribbon. And I'm just cutting four strings of the ribbon. Just depending on how many hearts you have is how much ribbon you're going to use. You can even use different color ribbon if you like. And what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to turn the sign around. Then I'm just going to place my ribbons where I want them to be, just kind of eyeballing, but evenly spacing them out as much as I can. Once you're happy with where you're placing your ribbons, all you're going to do is grab some hot glue and just glue them in place. So once you're done gluing your ribbons, just go ahead and flip it over, making sure that glue is completely dry. Then you're just going to get your hearts and you're going to wrap them around the top part of your heart with the ribbon. And you can tie a knot. I just use some hot glue. Just add a little dot of glue and then you're just going to add your heart onto that dot. And then what I did was basically with the ribbon that was left before I trimmed it, I just added a little bit and wrapped it around the top part of my heart just to make sure it was all nice and secure. And I did that to all four of them. Once you're done gluing your hearts to your ribbon, what I did was just basically make little not simple bows, and I'm going to add one of the bows onto each one of the hearts. So once you're done, just go ahead and glue your ribbons wherever you want your little bows. I just glued them right on top. Then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and set that aside. And I thought I needed a little something, so I'm going to make a bow to put right on top. And again, just grab any color of ribbon that you like. I'm using white and red ribbons. And all I'm doing is just kind of pinching them right in the center and just putting it in between my fingers just so they won't fall apart. And that way I can continue making different bows for each one of the ribbons. And I'm just going to kind of stack them one on top of the other. Once you're done with all the ribbons that you want to use for your bow, just go ahead and wrap them around using anything you like. I'm using some nautical rope or jute twine, and I'm just going to tie a knot and kind of wrap it around to make a center of my bow. Then I'm just going to fluff it up and tie it to the top of my reef or door hanger, I guess you could call it also. Just go ahead and tie a knot with the same rope. And just go ahead and flip it over and again fluff up your bow, trim off the ribbons to make sure that they're the length that you want them to be. And there you have it, an adorable wreath or wall decor piece for Valentine's. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.